Welcome to Top Product Picks. The best cat plants is probably one of the most sought after and adorable additions to any feline-friendly home, offering a safe and engaging way for your furry friends to interact with nature without the risk of ingesting toxic greenery that could harm them, making them a perfect blend of pet-safe design and natural enrichment for curious cats who love to explore their surroundings with their paws and mouths. Number 5. The Cat Lady's Organic Cat Grass Growing Kit, 3-pack. Give your feline friend the best with our organic cat grass kit. It's packed with essential nutrients and fiber to support their digestion and provide a tasty treat. Growing your own cat grass is simple. Just add water and seeds, and watch it sprout up to 4 inches in just 4 to 7 days. No special skills needed. This blend of wheat, oat, barley, and rye grass is great for healthy digestion. It also helps with hairball control, keeping your cat comfortable. Our organic and GMO-free kit is a safe alternative to toxic houseplants. It deters them from chewing on plants you don't want them to. Looking for a gift for a cat mom? This kit keeps their feline friends healthy and happy, while also adding a touch of green to your home. Each kit contains organic soil discs, locally sourced seeds, and BPA-free containers, along with simple instructions for easy growing. What we like? This kit comes with 3 packs of organic seeds and BPA-free containers. If you have multiple cats or want to ensure a continuous supply of fresh grass, this multi-pack is a fantastic choice. It offers great value and ensures your feline friends always have access to their favorite healthy treat. What people say. Grew perfectly, even in my somewhat dark house but placed nearish to a window. Although the instructions don't mention it, the little plastic protector that sits underneath the container also works well as a lid. In fact, it snaps into place. Used one under, used one on top to create a greenhouse effect. Easy to use, grows quickly. The kit lived up to its promise of providing essential nutrients to my cat's diet. With a blend of wheatgrass, oat, barley, and rye, it offered a wholesome treat that promoted healthy digestion and helped control hairballs. Setting up the kit was a breeze, requiring only a soil disc, water, and seeds. True to its name, the cat grass sprouted rapidly within days, reaching an impressive height of up to 4 inches. Number 4. The Cat Lady's Organic Cat Grass Growing Kit. Give your feline friend the best with our organic cat grass blend. It's packed with essential nutrients and fiber to support healthy digestion and provide natural hairball control. Growing this is easy. Just add water and seeds, and watch it sprout up to 4 inches in just 4 to 7 days. No special skills needed, just a little bit of magic. Our organic and GMO-free grow kits are beneficial for your cat's health. They also help deter your cat from nibbling on toxic houseplants or digging up your favorite flowers. This charming planter is not only functional but also a cute addition to your home decor. It's the perfect gift for any cat lover, keeping your pet happy and your home looking stylish. Everything you need is included: a white cat planter mug, a soil disc, organic seeds for edible grass, and simple instructions to get you started. What we like? This option includes a charming white cat planter, perfect for adding a decorative touch to your home. If you're looking for a cat grass solution that is both functional and aesthetically pleasing, this is the one. It's ideal for cat owners who appreciate cute home decor and want to keep their pets healthy. What people say. The kit comes with everything that is needed. The planter it came with is super adorable and of good quality. The seeds are great and almost all, if not all, germinated. It looks adorable in my living room and is a plant that she can eat. The only real plant I have. Most plants are toxic to cats. Carinissimo e facile da preparare. Erba gata pronta in soli 4 giorni. Number 3. The Cat Lady's Organic Cat Grass Growing Kit. Give your feline friend the best with our nutrient-rich blend. It's packed with essential fiber for healthy digestion and acts as a tasty treat. Growing your own cat grass is simple and fast. Just add water and seeds, and watch it sprout up to 4 inches in just 4 to 7 days. No special skills needed. Keep your pets safe and your home beautiful. Our organic grass deters them from eating harmful houseplants and protects your favorite flowers. This charming planter is more than just a pot, it's a stylish piece of decor. It's the perfect gift for cat lovers and their furry companions. Everything you need is included in this kit. You'll find a stylish black cat planter, organic seeds for edible grass, and easy-to-follow instructions. What we like. Featuring a stylish black cat planter, this kit is designed to complement modern decor. If you appreciate a sleek design and want to provide your cat with a natural digestive aid, this product is a great fit. It's perfect for those who want their pet's accessories to be as stylish as the rest of their home. What people say. The plants are very healthy and vibrant, with lush green leaves. The design of the pots is modern and sleek, complementing any home decor. These plants are surprisingly low maintenance, requiring minimal watering and care. Number 2. Marbrasse Creative Cat Glass Planter Vase Holder. Introducing a uniquely designed planter, featuring a creative cat frame that adds a modern and stylish touch to any space. Its elegant appearance makes it a perfect addition to your home decor. Artistically crafted from durable iron and high-quality, heat-resistant glass. This piece is built to last, showcasing fine craftsmanship in every detail. This vase holder is ideal for showcasing your favorite hydroponic plants and flowers. It's designed for easy watering and plant placement, making plant care simple and enjoyable. This item serves as an excellent accent piece for shelves, mantels, or tables. It's perfect for home garden decoration, weddings, or adding a touch of charm to outdoor spaces. Looking for a thoughtful gift? This planter offers a simple yet elegant design that fits any decor, making it a heartwarming present for loved ones. We ensure your satisfaction with a commitment to replacing any damaged products. Please feel free to contact us with any questions you may have. What we like. This unique item combines a glass vase with a creative cat-shaped metal stand, designed for hydroponics. If you're looking for a decorative piece that can hold plants and adds a whimsical, artistic touch to your space, this is an excellent choice. It's ideal for plant enthusiasts who want a conversation starter for their home or garden. What people say. The plants are very healthy and vibrant, with lush green leaves. The design of the pots is modern and sleek, complementing any home decor. Easy to care for, requiring minimal watering and occasional sunlight. Number 1. The Cat Lady's Organic Cat Grass Refill Kit. Give your feline friend the best with our 100% organic cat grass. It's packed with essential nutrients and fiber to support their digestion and provide a healthy, tasty treat. Growing is simple, just add water and seeds. Watch it sprout up to 4 inches in just 4 to 7 days. No special skills are needed to achieve amazing results. Keep your cat happy and safe indoors. This organic grass helps deter them from chewing on toxic plants and digging up your houseplants. Our planting discs are made with coconut coir, which is better than peat moss. It holds water and nutrients exceptionally well, ensuring optimal growth for your plants. Each kit includes organically grown cat grass seed mix and planting discs. Everything you need to provide your cat with a delightful and healthy snack. Our organic and GMO-free grow kits are beneficial for your cat's health and your home. It's a win-win for everyone. What we like. This is a refill kit containing organic cat grass seeds and cocoa coir soil discs. If you already have a planter and just need to replenish your supply, this is the most convenient and eco-friendly option. It's perfect for ongoing cat grass cultivation without needing to buy a whole new kit. What people say. The plants are very healthy and vibrant, with lush green leaves. The design of the pots is modern and sleek, complementing any home decor. These plants are surprisingly low maintenance, requiring minimal watering and care. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.